In this session we are going to learn about words of quantity. Okay, words of quantity. Then herely I can say something that be like a pineapple. Okay, be like a pineapple, stand tall, stand tall and wear a crown. Okay, wear a crown and sweet inside us. Okay, sweet inside it. We have to live like a pineapple. Okay, this is a slogan. Okay, we can follow in our life. Then going to the class. Now first one, thoda. Thoda, the pronunciation is thoda, meaning a little, meaning a little. Thoda sa, thoda sa, thoda sa copy, mujhe do, give me a little some little coffee, some little coffee. Thoda sa, thoda. Okay, then the second one is bahut. Bahut, the pronunciation is bahut, then the meaning is much, much. मुझे काजू कतली बहुत पसंद है. मुझे काजू कतली बहुत पसंद है. I like काजू कतली very much. Okay, very much. Then the third one. The third one is bari. The third one is bari. We have to pronounce is as bari. The meaning is heavy. The meaning is heavy. Today we can see many small children are wearing their school bags with heavy weight. Heavy weight. Their books are so weight so that they cannot lift it. Okay. We can say in Hindi as छोटे सी, छोटी बच्चे की पुस्तक बहुत भारी है, बहुत भारी है. Okay, छोटी बच्चे की पुस्तकें बहुत भारी है. Then the fourth one is halka. Halka, the pronunciation is halka, the meaning is light. The meaning is light. We can see पहले the born children we can lift them easily. We can lift them easily. They feel so light in the weight, light in the weight. छोटी सी बच्चे हल्का रहते हैं. हल्का रहते हैं means we can lift them easily. We can lift them easily. Their weight becomes halka. Halka means light. Then the fifth one is kuch. Kuch, the pronunciation is kuch, meaning is something. Meaning is something. Okay, if in the classroom if there is some quarrel between the children, we can ask them, what about them, what about the quarrels, what about the quarrels. We can see they can say something around the friends, something around their friends. It becomes the fight. Then in Hindi we can say it as kuch. Okay, कुछ उनके बीच कुछ गड़बड़ है, उनके बीच कुछ गड़बड़ है, इसलिए दे झगड़ते हैं, इसलिए जे झगड़ते हैं. Then the sixth one is coffee. Okay, coffee. It is sufficient. It is sufficient. इन दीपावली के समय हम अपने मित्रों के घर जाते हैं. हम अपने मित्रों के घर जाते हैं. दे हमें मिठाई देते हैं. हम कहते हैं यही काफ़ी है, यही काफ़ी है. मेरे पेट भरी है. Okay, मेरे पेट भरी है. Okay, it means in the time of Deepavali, in the time of Deepavali, when we go to our neighbor's house, they can give us sweets. Okay, they can give us sweets. We can say them, my stomach is heavy, we cannot eat anything. Okay, like this. This is called as coffee. मुझे काफ़ी है, मेरी पेट भर है, इसलिए मैं कोई नहीं खा सकता हूँ. Then the seventh one is bus. Okay, bus, enough. Bus, enough. In serving foods. Okay, if खाना बेचते हैं, खाना पकाते हैं, we can say माँ बस माँ बस थोड़ी बस. हम कहते हैं अपनी माँ के पास यही काफ़ी है, यही काफ़ी है बस. Okay, it means that it is enough for us. It is enough for us. Then the eighth one is bilkul. The pronunciation in bilkul, that is entirely, wholly. Entirely, two meanings for that. Entirely, wholly. Okay, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. Okay, एक साड़ी मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद है. Okay, एक साड़ी मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद है means this saree. Okay, this saree I likes very much, entirely. Okay, entirely I like this saree very much. This is the meaning. Then move on the ninth one. Itna. Itna, the pronunciation is itna, this much. Itna, this much. हम जब हमारे घर कोई नेबर आते हैं, आसपास वाले आते हैं, हाँ, they can ask us something, give me some tumbler of sugar, some tumbler of sugar. We can give them in a tumbler of sugar. इतना पसंद है, इतना पसंद है. हम उनसे कहते हैं इतना पसंद है. This much is better. This much is he wants. Then the 10th one. कितना. कितना means how much. Okay, how much do you want? Okay, आपको कितना चाहिए. आपको कितना पैसे चाहिए. How much rupees you want. How much rupees you want. Then the 11th one. 11th one is आधा. आधा means half. आधा means half. Half. The pronunciation is आधा. The meaning is half. Okay. मुझे आधा चपाती दे दो. Okay. मुझे आधा चपाती दे दो means I want half of the chapati. Okay, half of the chapati, half of the chocolate. आधा दूध दो means I want half of the milk. Okay, half of the milk. Then the 12th one is चौदाई or सवा. चौदाई or सवा. Pronunciation is चौदाई सवा. The meaning is quarter. The meaning is quarter. When we gave, if you are having only one chocolate, if you are having only one chocolate, we put them into pieces. Okay, we put them into pieces, then we can give it to the childrens. Okay, then we can say it as cut the chocolate in the quarter. Okay, cut the chocolate in the quarter parts. Then we can say in Hindi that chocolate को सवा की तरह काटो. सवा की तरह काटो. Then we can give it to all. Okay, then only we can give them all. Then the 13th one. 13th one is paune. Paune. Okay, paune. Pronunciation is paune. The meaning is 3/4. Okay, the meaning is 3/4. Okay, in the geographical term we can say India is 3/4 surroundings as seas. Okay, India is surrounding as 3/4 as surrounding. Okay, we can say. Then in the 14th one is ek tihai. Ek tihai means 1/3. Ek tihai means 1/3. in पैसों की बांटते समय. ओके, पैसों को बांटते समय मैं मेरे पिताजी से कहती हूँ कि मुझे 1/3 दे दीजिए. ओके, मुझे 1/3 दे दीजिए मीन्स आई वॉन्ट 1/3 ऑफ द रुपीस. I want 1/3 of the rupees. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Don't skip this video. keep watching this video. Thank you.